Hey guys, Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Easy Profit 100. I haven't done a video in a week or so because I've been so busy with my other projects. But don't want you to think this program is not working. It is. It's still going strong. I'm still getting sign-ups in it. I'm still getting calls. Regularly on the program because it's a simple program. If you want to be hands off the internet, if you don't want to be bothered with the internet, you want to do something very simple, this still is my #1 postcard program that I highly recommend. Okay, let me show you my card. This is one I created. If you're interested in my card, as you can see right here, okay, then I flip it over. And I have, see it says Postcard Diva on there. Okay, I made these up. Okay, so if you're interested in this, just give me a shout and I'll tell you how you can get the card. Okay, but yeah, Easy Profit 100's been around 7 years. I've been a part of it for 3 years as an affiliate marketer. And it was designed really for the average person, just to be able to make some extra income from home, still work your job, and still be able to make some extra income, okay, by just simply mailing these little cheap postcards, okay, real simple, okay. So if you're still looking for a way to make some money from home and you don't want to learn the internet, you don't want to be bothered with learning the skills and the training or any of that, I highly recommend this program. It's very affordable to get started, okay. So you'd pay your $149. You're going to make $100 every time someone joins. It's a reverse 2-up. The leverage comes in the reverse 2-up. Everybody passes up their second and fourth sale. Okay. Now you're going to get a website with this, just like the one we're looking at right here. Okay. You're going to get a website. You're going to get a back office so that you can track your sales. Okay. So let's see if we can scroll through it a little bit here. I'm going to put the link below so you can check it out. Here's a video with the owner explaining the program. A quick overview. Only 2 minutes, guys. Okay. You join right here. Click the Join Now button. It's very easy setup. Okay. You set up instantly. You're going to get 120 leads with this. You're going to order your postcards separately, okay, on the same website. Okay, here's the compensation plan, just as I explained. Reverse 2-up, second and fourth passes up. Now, they have recently added a residual income stream onto this. That's optional. It's not mandatory. But if you want to add residual with it, it's $50 a month, and you're going to get paid $25 every time someone also joins you in the phase 2. It's called Easy Profit 100 phase 2 residual income stream, okay, and it's digital products, okay. So it's going to be education, so you can learn some different marketing strategies, okay. So that's an option that you can add, okay. So real simple. It's a horizontal pay line. This is not multi-level marketing. It's not network marketing. It's going to be direct sales. So when someone joins and they purchases this program, if you referred them from your link, you make $100. That's it. Just that simple. Okay. And of course, as you build your team and those second and fourth sales keep coming up, everyone that comes into your pay line has to pass up their second and fourth sale to you. Okay, and that's to infinity, guys. Real simple home-based business. Okay, so if you're looking for something really simple, hands off, if you don't want to touch the computer or learn anything about the internet, Easy Profit 100 is the way to go. Okay, so I'm going to put that link below. Now, of course, since you have a back office, since you have a website and everything, you can market this online. You can place ads, guys. You can run traffic. You can send a text message. But I'm talking to the people that don't want to deal with any of that. They just want to mail the cards. This is definitely a program you want to check out. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the link below, let you kind of go through this at your leisure. call this number, listen to the recording. This is what's going to be on the card as well. Okay, so that when someone receives the card, they're going to call that number and check it out. So even if they don't have a computer, they'll mail the card back in, like it says on the back here. On the back of this card, it tells them to mail it back in. Okay, it has your username on it. So if they decide to join, that's who the company will pay. And the company's going to mail them an info packet. Okay, so that they can check it out. But this is one of the simplest ways, hands off computer, no internet, go with Easy Profit 100. Okay, no monthly fees. If you don't want to be a part of the residual phase 2, you don't have to be. It's just an option, and it's there for you if you decide to do so. You would just log into your back office. On the left hand side, it will say phase 2, and that's where you're going to click there, join, pay your $50, and now you're able to get those $25 commissions. Now the company pays every week, so if someone joins you this week, you'll make the 100 plus the 25 if they join phase 2, and then next month when they pay their 50, you're going to make that 25 again. Okay, so that's basically how it works. But again, it's optional, the residual, but I highly recommend getting in it because you never know who's going to join you. Most of the time people don't call you, they just join. So that will be $25 that you will miss out on. Okay, it'll be passed up. So there you have it, Easy Profit 100 in a nutshell. That's the basics of it. I'll put the link below for it. But no, it's not replacing, you know, I'm in copy paste ads. It's not replacing this. This is still going strong, and this is weekly pay. Okay, copy paste ads is instant pay. Okay, so you know there's kind of difference. So I'm not replacing copy paste ads. I'm just adding it to my portfolio. But Easy Profit 100 is still going. Okay, so we'll put the link below for that and get started. You can get started with it and give me a call if you have any questions. All right, guys, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And go ahead and like the video. And I'll see you guys on the inside. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to answer those calls, guys. I do work from home full time. Okay, so look forward to working with you. You guys have a blessed day.